Hi, people of the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, depending your location and the time you're seeing this. Okay, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Oma, the guardian of Amaeke. I have been on your screens for quite some time now, and I am here to thank my viewers all over the world for taking the time to watch me. And to my subscribers, God bless you. Now let's discuss about my stories. I want you, my beautiful viewers, to rate the storyline in Oma of Amaeke, including my performance, from a scale of 1 to 10. Feel free to use positive criticism, for I am open for correction. But please, do not be harsh with words. See you in the comment section. Thank you. Keep watching Oma of Amaeke. Remain blessed. Much love.
She is who she says she is.